Hi everyone, welcome. I am cooking pineapple sauce or pineapple gravy. I have gone ahead and peeled a whole pineapple and slice it. Now I am dicing the pineapple to put into the sauce or the gravy. This pineapple here is very sweet and pineapple has a lot of health benefits and it is good for our immune system. I have finished dicing the amount of pineapple that I need. I will place it into this disposable cup until I'm ready to use it. Here I am chopping some carrots. I am using one whole carrot in my sauce or gravy, whichever you choose to call it. Carrot is very sweet and it goes nicely along with the pineapples. It helps to make the sauce beautiful and it tastes great also. Carrot is very healthy. It's a very healthy vegetable to have. It is good for our eyes. It is filled with vitamin C and it tends to be sweet. I am also chopping some brown seasons, scallion or green onion, white onion, green bell peppers, Cajun peppers, and tomato to put into my gravy. All these seasoning and vegetables will help to bring the consistency of the gravy or the sauce together. It will also help to give it a lovely flavor. I am putting some thyme also into the sauce, which helps to which give it a wonderful flavor. To cook the gravy, since I have finished cutting the vegetables, so I'll put a small saucepan on the stove. I'll use some oil from the oil that I have fried chicken with recently. The chicken that I'll be using the sauce on. So then I'll put the seasoning into the pot and saute them. Next, I will add a cup of water, after which I'll add the carrots. I will add some black pepper, after which I will add some meat seasoning. Up next, I will add a pinch of salt. Then I will add some soy sauce. After adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, I will add some tomato ketchup. I will also add some white vinegar. Now I'm adding the tomato ketchup. We're gonna add about half a cup of tomato ketchup to the cup of water along with the seasoning that I've placed in the pot. I also added some all-purpose seasoning. I have also added the cup of pineapples that have been diced. You can use your juicer or your blender to blend the pineapple also to get some juice. And your juicer will just squeeze the pineapple and juice it so you will get the juice to add to your sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and allow to cook for about 8 minutes. After which I will serve with some rice and peas and fried chicken. This will taste so good.